So in my previous video, you have seen how to set up a React project with it. So it was all the stuffs and I will start. So first you need to run the project npm run dev. So your project will run in your local host 5173. So this is the project. Okay. Right now what you need to do is like we are planning to create a new component. Okay, so right itself defaultly it will create one component. So right now go to this src folder, open this src folder, inside that app.js. So control delete the entire, just import react from react. Okay, constant app equal to one brace, and yes, my first component, export the part to app. Always try to create a component name with a capital letter. Okay, app, create the same name. Okay, what you create, if the component is app, then create the component as the name app also. The same name you need to use. Don't use another name. It will be very difficult if you use some other name. Format the document. So this is the basic small React component. So you may not understand what is this. So this is called a React fragment. Okay, so React will export only one component, one div. Okay, if you do right, if you go with and I create something like this, you will see this error. Okay, JSX element must be wrapped in an enclosed tag. Okay, so it should always be enclosed with a single tag. So if the tag may be, it, it must be always be in React fragment. So that's the standard. Okay, this is the standard you need to follow. So right now you have created my first component here. Okay, so why it is displayed in the middle of the screen, in the sense React white defaultly they have maintained some css. Just remove all the css. They have maintained some css in the root level. Just remove all the css. You can see, just see, just you can see my first component. If you know HTML, put wrap inside HTML tag h1, then it will be great. So my first component. Okay, this is the basic React component. So I can explain this folder structure of this. Always the React consists of one package.json. Okay, so this is the name that you have mentioned. This is the version of the project. This is the script that will be running, npm run dev. It will helps to create the development environment. Okay, it will start our project in the local. So npm run build. Okay, this helps to build our application. These two are the main things that we need to know, how to build our application and what is the help of dev. Dev helps to develop it, it will create the development server. So dependencies defaultly installed in why it is a React and a React DOM. These two are the main dependencies, and these are the development dependencies that related to the uh, white project. So in here, this is the main HTML page. The things that you have created inside all in React component, everything will be compiled and it will be shown inside this div. Okay, you go to main.js. This is the basic React. It's a basic React component that inbuiltly helps to render all the application in the root level. This was our first component. So in upcoming videos we can learn more and we can learn many things. Right now this is the basic steps to create our first component in React. So what is React? Just take a notes of like see what is React. I have didn't teach about what is React. Directly go inside the code and develop my first component. See, always try to do everything practical. Okay, so the things that I have done right, you also need to do the same thing. Then only you can learn the React very fast. Okay, if, by seeing the video and you can just go and skip, that means you cannot able to learn. what what are the things that I am doing? Open the app, importing type to create. Use always type. Okay, don't use like in the beginning itself, don't use anything like any simple shortcut methods. Okay, try to type everything. That will help you to memorize all the things that you are using. Okay, so what is React? React is an just an library, UI library. Okay, that's it. React is an UI library. It helps to create UI components and create UI applications. It helps to develop front-end applications. That's it. Right now, just know this is the beginner class. Okay, so just learn what is React. Just go and Google search and understand what is React. If you go like if you search what is React, you can able to see, you can get many of the documentation. You can just go and explore the theoretical part. Okay, yeah, that's all about today.